The Epson PowerLite 982W projector delivers very bright classroom images with 3 liquid crystal display technology and color that stays accurate even in well-lit rooms. Its widescreen WXGA resolution keeps text crisp and diagrams easy to read from the back of the room, which is ideal for modern presentations and educational content. The long-lasting lamp in eco mode significantly cuts down on maintenance interruptions, so schools and offices can run it for years without frequent replacements. A generous optical zoom range makes it easy to fill different screen sizes while maintaining sharp focus, which is helpful for ceiling mounts or tricky room layouts. Built-in audio with a strong speaker and microphone input allows the projector to handle voice and media without needing a separate sound system in smaller spaces. Wireless and wired connectivity, including dual high-definition multimedia interface ports and support for many devices at once, makes sharing content from laptops and mobile devices straightforward for collaborative sessions.